Mentor here. Today I want to talk about 6 side jobs to make you extra money all the way through 2020. Now I know that I usually do focus on ways to make money specifically online and not actually getting out into the community or doing things of that nature. But today I want to touch on a few side jobs that are really going to help you bring in extra money because as we all know, the holidays are coming up, and if you're like me, you're a little bit of a procrastinator and you need a little extra money to get yourself through the holiday season. You have extra presents or you haven't even started your Christmas shopping yet, like myself, and you need some extra money coming in. So definitely watch this video, watch it all the way through because I'm going to hit a bunch of different bases of how you can make money regardless of what type of experience you have. Some of them you don't even need experience, you just need to be a nice person. Some of them you can be an animal person. If you like cleaning, one's going to be good for you. And then there's another one that you can strictly do and make your money using your computer for the most part. Um, some of them you don't need a vehicle for, some of them you do. So definitely stay for the whole video. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And some of them are really fun and interesting. Plus, you get paid to do it. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. All the subscribers that we get build us up and make us more motivated to keep pushing out more and more content to help you bring in a little bit extra money into your household. As we all know, a little bit of extra money goes a long way. As I said before, right before the holiday season. If you haven't done so already, definitely hit the bell icon so I can send you notifications every single time I upload a video. I will not spam you, but I will send you a notification a couple times a week. So hit that bell icon. If you are interested in quitting your job like I was able to, being able to stay home with your kids, your husband, your family, your pets, whoever it is, your loved ones, you don't want to miss out on anything anymore, make sure to take a look at my #1 recommendation for making money. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So, as I have promised, I am going to teach you and talk to you about 6 side jobs that are going to make you a little extra money. Now, this is not going to be a make or break it. You're not going to be able to quit your full-time job, um, but it's going to bring in a little bit extra money into your household. So, here we go. So there's an app and website called Rover.com. So what the app and website, right now I have the website pulled up, but they also do have apps that you can download onto your phone, are dog walking apps. And you can get paid anywhere between $12 and $17 per hour for doing 15 to 20-minute walks. Now, I don't know if you're working full time and you get a lunch break and you want to make a little extra money. If you do this a few times a week, 5 days a week, and you do that, every single week, all month, you can make a lot of extra cash just hanging out walking a dog. Who doesn't want to pet the dog that they see walking on the side of the road every time? I don't know. You can't walk past me with your dog without me trying to pet it. So this is a really cool and fun way that you can make a little bit extra money. And all you have to do is just hang out with a pup. Who doesn't want to do that? Seriously. Now, they also have house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, as well as dog walking. So definitely check it out. You can kind of pick which size dog. Like, I'm tiny. I'm a little over 100 pounds. I am probably not going to be walking a 100+ pound dog. I'm going to stick with the smaller medium breeds. That's just, I wouldn't be able to handle a 100-something-pound dog. So it's really cool. It's a really fun way. And they also, as you can see, will have, I don't know how you walk a cat. My cat doesn't really walk. We couldn't drag the cat, but you can do cat care, I'm assuming, with house sitting and drop-in visits and kitty daycare. So definitely check this out. You can also get yourself signed up for another app. I don't have it pulled up, but I believe it's called iWag, and it's really relatively similar. So check those two out if you are an animal lover. So moving on with the video, we have Clarity.fm. Now, if you have any experience in SEO, you've started your own business before, you know the ins and outs of it, or you have some sort of marketing experience, this is going to be an awesome way to make actually quite a bit of money on there. So what this is, it's going to be a worldwide method of making money by phone, but using this website first. So what they're going to do is you can get yourself signed up right down here. You want to become an expert. Join the community of passionate experts and thoughtful leaders being sought out by fellow entrepreneurs. Now, people are going to need advice and they don't know where to go to it. If I were to start a business right now, I wouldn't even know who to ask. I don't really have friends or families to look to. So that's what people like me would look to Clarity.fm to help them work the ins and outs so that they aren't getting themselves caught up and wasting money. So if you have any experience in marketing, SEO, starting a business, you get yourself signed up and people will be calling you and asking for your advice and how things work. And then, like I said, you can get paid anywhere between $60 to $100 an hour, which is quite a bit of money to be making just sitting in your bed talking to people about something you already know quite a bit about. So check out Clarity.fm. Now, the next site that we're looking at is Care.com. And when you think of Care.com, everybody's like, you know what? I don't want to deal with somebody's snot-nosed kid. I am not a good babysitter. At least that's what I think of when I hear Care.com. But Care.com is not just babysitting or nannying. There are senior cares, there's dog sitting, there's dog boarding. You can also do some housekeeping on Care.com. So there's a lot of options for you. I did some research on the dog boarding, can pay up to $200 per dog. Um, so check out Care.com. When you get to the website, you are going to sign up here as I want a care job and find some profiles and search for jobs. You hit this right here and that's how you get going. Like I said, they have childcare, pet care, housekeeping. So it's not just going to be dealing with somebody's kids. It's not just going to be babysitting. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to make a little bit of extra money, definitely check out care.com. Moving on to my next one, which is going to be number 4. We are going to take a look at Instacart. So a lot of folks are really busy nowadays. I know myself, I'm very busy and I know that I need to get to the store more often, but I'm not able to. So Instacart would be a really good option for me. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be shopping and delivering groceries. What's good about this way of making money is you're going to have really flexible hours. Um, I was doing some research on this also, and I found out that a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers do this as well. So it's really simple and easy. You're just going to scroll yourself down and you are going to become a shopper. So you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the site and become a shopper. And that's how you're going to get yourself signed up for this. Now, if shopping as well as delivering isn't your thing, you could also look into Grubhub or DoorDashers. They're also very similar, but I believe you don't have to actually do the shopping. The one thing that you are going to need for this way of making money is you're going to need a vehicle. So if you don't have a vehicle, I don't know if this method is right for you to make money. But if you do and you're trying to make a little bit extra right before the holidays, check out Instacart. So moving on to my second to last one, we're going to look at Fiverr. I know I talk about Fiverr all the time, but I absolutely love them. They're wonderful, and it's really an awesome way to make some money. Now, this is going to be making money online and strictly online. So if you are good at graphic arts, you're good at transcribing, you're good at you're bilingual and you can translate things, or you're really good at doing voiceovers and transcription work, check out Fiverr. You're going to be a freelancer. People are going to be contacting you and asking to do work for them for a rate that you are already going to preset. Now you're going to have a basic, a medium, and a high um, package of payments methods that you're going to need. I mean, you can start out at $10, $20, $30, or wherever you want to go. The only thing with Fiverr is you are going to have to promote yourself. This is a self-promoting job that you're not going to promote you, and you're really going to need some stars to be able to be picked. You're going to need testimonials of people who have used you on Fiverr. So definitely check it out. If you're really good at graphic arts or things of that nature, anything that pretty much has to do with something online, you're good at making business cards, you're good at making posters, anything like that, you're going to be able to make money on Fiverr. And I've seen a lot of people make a lot of money on Fiverr. Moving on to my very last side job hustle, it is going to be the Handy app. It's also got a website as well. And this is for people who don't mind cleaning houses. This is one of the best house cleaning apps that you can use. They pretty much manage everything. They find the jobs for you and they send you out. They're obviously going to get a cut out of your job. Um, but you're going to be able to get if you're new, you just started a cleaning service, this is what I recommend. Go to Handy, and if somebody really likes you, they're going to end up hiring you and cutting out the middleman for Handy. No, I probably shouldn't say that, but that's really what it's going to be. But Handy will go and they will find you. They provide all your customer service. They're going to provide upfront pricing. So you're going to know what you're going to get your cut out of it every single time. So what you do is you go to Handy and you should go all the way to the bottom and you get yourself started. And it's as easy as that. You just go, you clean houses, and you're going to get paid. Um, what they expect you to do is dust all the surfaces, wipe down the mirrors, glass fixtures, clean the floor surfaces. So like the basic house cleaning once over that we would normally do in our own house once a week. Dust all the surfaces, wipe down the mirrors, glass fixtures. So it's pretty much just dusting, take out the garbage, taking out the recycling, cleaning the floors, and you're going to be able to get paid a little bit extra cash. And you don't actually have to go look for jobs. They will do that for you, which is the beauty of using Handy. They have an app as well as a website, so check it out. It's handy.com. And those are my 6 side jobs that are going to help you bring in extra money all the way through 2020. So check it out, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you if you hit the bell icon, then you can get notifications for further uploads that I'm going to be doing this week. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But if you are looking to strictly make money online and become an online entrepreneur full-time, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.